Hey guys, it's Christy and Brad again. We're just here to do some ab exercises.
So today we're going to show you a couple of ab exercises. We're going to start with the TRX, then I've got a couple of movements for you with the med ball, okay? So with the TRX, we're going to show you how to load yourself in it correctly on your own. As you can see, Christy's loading her feet in here. Her right foot goes over her left leg, then she rotates her body that way. Set up, okay? Reaching behind you can get a little bit tricky. The rest position for these, if you've got yourself a good Orbit Fitness mat, is on your knees, okay? So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to start off with level 1, just a plank position. So Christy's going to jump up into a plank position. As you can see here, everything is in a nice straight line. The core is really activated. What I want you to try and focus on is pull your belly button in and continuous breathing, okay? Making sure the feet are at the same level. Most important thing is not letting the hips go down too low, keeping that body in a nice straight line. From here, we're going to do knee tucks. So from here, Christy's going to bring her knees right into her chest and then back out to full extension. From there, you can probably see, you can probably understand, a lot harder for the core to pull the knees in while keeping that balance as well, okay? Constant breathing here. If you needed a rest, drop down to your knees, okay? That's your rest position right there. Once you get your second movement, so once you're comfortable with those knee tucks, there's a third level we can take you to. These are called TRX planks. What we do, always start off in the plank position. From here, Chrissy's going to bring her hips up as high as she can while keeping the legs nice and straight. This is challenging. You would definitely feel the burn with these, okay? Same as the booty video that you might have seen earlier. We want to focus on higher reps here. So try to get the 12 to 15 rep range plus if you can. Perfect, Christy. Down to your knees and then feet can come out. Very good. Next couple of exercises we're going to show you are with a med ball, okay, from Orbit Fitness. Grab a hold of that one there, feet on the ground. We're going to go all the way back down and lay on the back. Christy's going to stretch out, move this TRX. Christy's going to stretch out all the way, stretching out her core and then coming up, pressing through with the core, okay? So big stretch up top, touch the ball on the ground, coming through and pressing up, okay? Big exhale as you come up and through. Same thing, you want to focus on the higher rep ranges, 12 to 15, constant breathing, thinking about pulling your upper body up with your core, okay? Mind to muscle is a very important thing to get right. Perfect. From here, once you've done your 12 to 15 of those, stay at the top. From here, it's an upper body rotation. So Chrissy's just going to hold the ball just off her chest, focusing on keeping the feet on the floor is level 1. As you can see, beautiful upper body rotations. Back staying nice and flat, we're not rolled over at the shoulders, keeping the abs switched on, constant breathing. Level 2, lifting the feet up. Lovely, very good. As you can see, we've got a superior athlete here showing us all the harder levels. Thanks guys, enjoy.
Thanks guys.
Cheers.